In a previous video, I told you how much money I make each month on YouTube from being a partner. In this video, I will talk about some of the other ways in which you can make money both on and off the platform. AdSense is the system that YouTube uses for paying partners for the ads in their videos. I'll touch on that more later. But the people getting rich on YouTube, and there are a lot fewer than you think, are not getting rich from AdSense. Let's talk about some of the additional ways you can make money. First, channel memberships. I don't use this, and YouTube has even invited me to a boot camp to learn how to make the most of channel memberships. Second, Patreon. I tried Patreon for a while. It wasn't for me, but I don't knock anyone who uses it. If you're making a YouTube channel for CAD, I strongly recommend you consider it. Affiliate marketing. This is where you tag products that appear in your videos. If a person clicks on it and then makes a purchase, you get a commission. But I have a faceless channel. Usually, Creo Parametric is the only thing on my screen. There's nothing for them to click. Merchandise. I tried creating merch. I tried selling t-shirts. I made a nifty one that I thought Creo users would love. They didn't. These are not the only things I don't do that you're supposed to do as a YouTube creator. If you watch my older videos, I used to ask people to subscribe and like and all the other stuff you hear in every other video on YouTube. I stopped doing that a few years ago. I'm not trying to monetize my audience. YouTube is going to force you to watch ads. I get a cut of that ad revenue. But let's look at the people who are watching my videos. Usually, it's someone trying to learn something so they can do their job. It's someone in college or freshly out of college trying to get a job. It's someone at a company that uses Creo trying to learn Creo for the first time. Or it's someone who knows Creo, but they're trying to figure out how to do something new or remember something they once knew how to do. I'm not trying to get them to give me money out of their pockets. I have a full-time job. I've saved money. I'm doing okay financially. So I choose not to do the things I could do to make money from my audience. I'm sure you've watched videos where the narrative stops so that the on-air talent can deliver an advertisement for the video sponsors. This is one of the biggest ways that channels make money. I have over 1,000 videos and a dozen shorts, and in that time, only 2 videos have been sponsored. And both were sponsored by Arena, which is another one of PTC's Product Lifecycle Management, or PLM, platforms. If you're going to start a YouTube channel for CAD, I strongly recommend you figure out how to gain sponsors. I haven't figured it out yet. In my first video about creating a YouTube channel, I alluded to the credibility that you gain by sharing your knowledge with the world. And with that credibility comes opportunity. Once you show people that you know your subject and that you can solve people's problems and that you can explain things to others, that opens the door to consulting. That's how you can support yourself indirectly through your YouTube channel. The second way is through freelance video work, whether that's CAD related or not. It's a very rare niche to be able to make videos on a technical subject. First, you have to know that technical subject. That typically takes years of effort. Second, you have to know how to present that material to others in a way they can understand it. If you've ever worked in product development, I'm sure you've known CAD experts who weren't that good at explaining things to others. Doing and explaining are two distinct skill sets. Third, you need both the equipment and the skills to produce video content on technical subjects. So having the combination of those three things is rare. Being able to make videos, regardless of subject, is another opportunity. Everyone has a phone, which leads to a lot of people thinking they can make videos. This results in a lot of bad videos. I'm no Martin Scorsese or Steven Spielberg, but most of the time I can get decent audio and video. And once again, good audio is so much more important than good video. With luck and hard work, consulting and freelance video work can support you and your family. It's nice when you can free yourself of the constraints of the corporate world. So, what do you think? I hope you got something out of this video. If you have questions about this topic, please leave them in the comments. Thank you very much.